It's been a day of royal pomp and ceremony in Tonga for the coronation of the country's king. 3 years after his elder brother died, King Tupou VI has assumed the throne. The ABC's Pacific Affairs reporter Liam Fox is in the capital, Nuku'alofa.
It was the day Tongans have been waiting for. Inside Nuku'alofa's centenary church, locals, expatriate Tongans and foreign dignitaries, including Japan's crown prince and princess, gathered to witness the historic event. Tongan princes bore the crowns to the altar. The king and queen followed. Tupou VI assumed the throne after his older brother's death 3 years ago. Today, the transition was complete. He was anointed with holy oil, adorned with a ring and sceptre, then crowned King of Tonga.
Receive the crown of royal dignity and honour.
Then it was Queen Nanasipau'u's turn. The ceremony complete, the royal couple went for a drive to meet their subjects.
This is very historical. It's kind of a once in a lifetime. Glorious and majestic.
And the whole atmosphere was wonderfully happy with the best singing I think one can find anywhere in the world.
Tonga's pro-democratic Prime Minister has long advocated for less royal involvement in politics, but even he says the king is an important figurehead.
We love our king. We will continue to maintain our monarchy.
As Tonga's nobles and other dignitaries gathered at the royal palace for a feast, people celebrated in the streets. The luncheon here at the Royal Palace doesn't signify the end of the party. Tonight there'll be fireworks and another royal feast. Then there's another full week of events to celebrate the King's coronation. Liam Fox, ABC News, Nuku'alofa.